Is the new iPad worth it? Find out now. Thinking about upgrading your tablet? I am diving deep into the new Apple iPad 11-inch to see if it lives up to the hype. Get ready for a detailed look. The iPad boasts a sleek, modern design that's both lightweight and durable. It measures 9.79 by 7.07 by 0.28 inches and weighs just over a pound. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display is stunning, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. True Tone technology adjusts the screen to your environment for comfortable viewing. It has a 2360 by 1640 pixel resolution at 264 pixels per inch. Powered by the A16 chip, yes, the same one in the iPhone 14 Pro, this iPad is blazing fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and gaming absolutely seamless. You can stream, edit, sketch, and browse all at once without lag. It's an upgrade that actually feels like an upgrade. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display is stunning, bright, sharp, and color-rich, perfect for Netflix, design apps, or reading on the go. Whether you're sketching with the Apple Pencil or binge-watching your favorite shows, the visuals are truly next level. You get a 12-megapixels front camera with center stage for super clean FaceTime calls and Zoom meetings, plus a 12-megapixels rear camera that handles document scanning and casual photography like a pro. It's not just good for a tablet, it's genuinely solid across the board. Touch ID is built right into the top button, easy, fast, and secure. And when it comes to battery, all-day life is no joke. I've been using it throughout the day, streaming, note-taking, light editing, and I still end with battery to spare. The iPad comes in 4 bold, fun colors: pink, yellow, blue, and silver. It's honestly nice to have personality beyond the classic black-white vibe. Storage starts at 128 gigabytes and goes up to 512 gigabytes, giving you options whether you're a light user or a digital hoarder. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile tablet with a stunning display and seamless user experience, the new Apple iPad 11-inch is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for students, creative professionals, and anyone who wants a premium tablet experience.